أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
You're saying John wrote in Hebrew.
Inspired, John inspired by the Holy Spirit.
So who wrote it down?
The Hebrew author is not known.
The Greek author is unknown, right?
For the Hebrews,
For Greek, right? It's written in Greek, right? So you see this? This is although the see now we'll read. Read here. No. Can I read it or do you want to read it?
Does not appear in the gospel.
The name of the author doesn't even appear in. Can I finish? See, now you're not letting me speak, right? So be honest. Is he letting me speak? Tell the truth. You just be honest. Is he letting me speak now?
Mira.
He's not, right? At least she's honest, right?
Mira.
No. But you don't know anything about the Quran. So read about it. So it's by one God. One God is the one that's in the Quran. You're saying there's three, right?
How did you get that? Where did you get that from?
Excellent. So let me explain it, okay? So now, Allah, the one God, can I answer her now? Or?
Romanos 1:21. Because although they know God, they did not glorify Him as God. No,
why not? What if you're wrong?
Became futile.
I read the Bible, but I read the Bible.
It doesn't matter.
I read the Bible, so you're not letting me speak. He's not letting you know he's not letting us speak now, right?
Because although they knew God, they
We
did
listen
not
to him.
glorify Him as God, nor were thankful would become not.
I'm not blind.
Okay.
I know where I
Listen. Okay. Can I speak now? So you don't want to listen. See, you know you weren't fair. You weren't fair, right? Does God have a God?
No.
Okay, then who did Jesus worship? Who did he say, my God, why have you forsaken me? Who was he speaking to? Jesus. Who was he speaking to? See, you can't listen because you know it's the truth. I've read the Bible, I chose the Quran. Just read the Quran.